Hi, Kaniki here. Welcome back to this channel. So today we're going to make a soft, beautiful heart makeup look. Hindi ko maintindihan. Basta heart kasi February is buwan ng pag-ibig. This is a collaboration of beauty content creators Philippines. I'm going to place their link in the description box. I hope you're going to check all their works, and I really appreciate if you're going to like, share, and subscribe to us. So thank you so much for watching. Without further ado, let's hop into the video. Starting off with this primer from Says Lady, the 24K gold serum, and then I'm placing it all over my face. Don't forget your neck. And using my favorite foundation as of the moment from Manhattan, and I spread it all over my face using my fingers. So it's very easy to blend and super wearable every day. And then color correcting, alam niyo na yung mga malas natin sa buhay. Color correct, and then following it with the concealer. And then as you can see, I'm blending it. Blending is the key, guys, as always. And then after this, I'm going to finish the other half of my face. I thought I will be using powders, but I'm not done with the half of my face. Don't forget your neck as always. And then this time I'm using the Nichido face powder. Set everything and you're good to go. Not yet, but we're going to use this Judy Cosmetics brow liner. I super love the pigmentation of this brow liner, and I love the color, and it's super easy to blend. Using the Zola as my eyeshadow on my upper and lower eyelids, and then blending it, and then using this Says Lady black liner, and then yes, spread it out even more. Beauty Glaze mascara, and don't worry, I'm going to use the falsies later on. I'm using the Everbelena white pencil liner, and then Zola again for my cheeks, and I will be using it on my lips later on as well. So blending it upward to have that fresh looking face. And I'm using this Revlon highlighter. I super love this. I just discovered it today. And then contouring using the LA Girl contour. And yes, kailangan natin ng matangos na ilong kasi hindi tayo nabibiyaan ng matangos na ilong. Oh, I'm using the honey. Sorry for that. Honey from Gracie. Shallow Gracie Cosmetics. And then accessorizing heart. Kaya nga heart, diba yung ano natin ngayon? Yes, and then to add some dimension, I'm using the white face paint to add a little bit of lines, shapes, heart shape.